Hello everyone, from today onward we started a new test series of previous year question papers with analysis. So let's start. First question, Valita is a character is taken from which work of Arundhati Roy? The God of Small Things, Ministry of Utmost Happiness, Sea of Poppies, The Great Indian Novel. Correct answer option number A, The God of Small Things. The Valita is taken from The God of Small Things. The God of Small Things, it is a debut novel of Indian author Arundhati Roy. Arundhati Roy. It is a story about the childhood experience of the fraternal twins. Next, Ministry of Utmost Happiness. It is the second novel of Indian author Arundhati Roy. Arundhati Roy, published in 2017 after the 20 years of debut novel The God of Small Things. Next, The Sea of Poppies. The Sea of Poppies, it is a novel by Indian novelist Amitabh Ghosh, which was shortlisted for the Man Booker Prize 2008. It is the first volume of the Ibis trilogy. The Great Indian Novel, it is a satirical work by Shashi Tharoor, OOR. Shashi Tharoor, first published in 1989. It is a fictional work that takes the story of Mahabharata, the Indian epic. Which award was bestowed upon the novel Ministry of Utmost Happiness? Booker Prize, Sahitya Academy Award, Jnanpith Award, none of the above. Correct answer option number D, none of the above. So, Ministry of Utmost Happiness, written by Arundhati Roy and published in 2017 and long listed this year Man Booker Prize. Listening to Grasshoppers is a collection of essays by Arundhati Roy, Vijay Tendulkar, Amitabh Ghosh, Khushwant Singh. Correct answer option number A, Arundhati Roy. The Listening to Grasshopper, it is the other name, the Field Notes on Democracy. Field Note on Democracy. Published 2009, written in between 2002 to 2008. It is a collection of essays written on India's democracy and the bitter truth associated. Sign, according to Shishore, is made up of one aspect only, two aspects, three aspects, none of above. Correct answer option number B, two aspects. Shishore, its full name Ferdinand D. Shishore, Swiss linguist, born 1857 and died 1913. Sign is composed of two aspects, signifier and signified, related to semiotics. One of the two founders of semiotics. Next question. The smallest unit of a language is morpheme, allophone, phoneme, word. Correct answer option number C, phoneme. Morpheme is the smallest meaningful unit of language. Morpheme divided into two categories, free and bound morpheme. Free morpheme further divided into two categories, lexical and functional, and bound morpheme divided into two categories, derivational and inflectional. Allophone is a set of subtle different way of saying a sound. And phoneme is the smallest unit of sound. Study of phoneme is called a phonology and study of morpheme is called a morphology. Next question. Which type of consonant sound F is? Plosive, stop, fricative, affricate. Correct answer option number C, fricative. F is a voiceless, labiodental, fricative consonant sound. Syntagmatic relations are arbitrary, horizontal, vertical, diagonal. Correct answer option number B, horizontal. Syntagmatic relations are in a correct sequence and governed by some rules, spellings and grammar. So syntagmatics are in a horizontal form. Next question. In the word friendly, ly is free morpheme, bound morpheme, both, none of above. Correct answer option number B, bound morpheme. So bound morpheme is a word element that cannot stand alone as a word. So including both prefix and suffix. Bound morpheme two type, derivational and inflectional. Next question. The descriptive term labiodental refers to vowel sound, phonology, form of articulation, place of articulation. Correct answer option number D, place of articulation. Labiodental is a place of articulation that is characterized by the active articulator, lower lip, and the passive articulator, upper teeth. Dialect of language is peculiar to a region, social group, both A and B, idiolect. Correct answer both A and B. A dialect is a regional or a social variety of a language. So study of dialect is known as dialectology. Dialectology or social linguistics. So now we move on to at the end of this session. So like, share and subscribe my channel. I hope you like this video, and if you have any query then you can write me in a comment box below. That's it for today. See you soon for the next video. Till then, bye.